Hey, so dreamr app, what is it? How to use? So here is the app, and it's kind of social media. It looks similar to TikTok, but the idea here is that you can only post your dreams. So instead of like doing all the funny videos, here to create an account and finish your account creation, you just describe your dream, like what are you dreaming about, and you can see all the people just telling about their dreams. And for example, I want to study abroad to get a good education and have a bright and independent future for myself. So then you can just tap connect with that person, mm, and then you can just write what you think about it, or oops, or just offer some help or support or anything you like. So this is the app where you just show and explain your dream, and you can either connect to like-minded people, or you can find support, or you can find new friends. And there if you read reviews on app store, they are really like heartbreaking. Like some people were homeless, they stopped being homeless, some people achieved what they wanted to do, and all of that. So that's pretty amazing, and this app is pretty powerful. So definitely give it a try. And then you also have a chat here. Your network will be your most valuable asset in the pursuit of your dreams. Dreamer's Messenger is secured with end-to-end encryption. So tap to continue, and then you can just start a new chat, search for the messages, and just start a chat from there. You can go to your profile. So again, to continue to complete your profile to the full extent, you need to record a dream. You need to share a dream. I don't know if you have many dreams. So this is my dream. I just did a quick recording here. Then I can tap on your icon. I can, yeah, also set dreamer daily. I can enable ghost mode or location. If I can also just try to delete an account if you want from here. There's also some support. You can invite friends here, invite via text or invite via email. There is a community. Yeah, so you can see your connections. So that's pretty cool. So that's basically the app when you create your account. Uh, Definitely give it a try. So dreamr app on App Store.